So good morning, guys. This is the video I promised to make about the Blockscout ETH airdrops claiming. So let me walk you guys through. Make sure you stay close and watch to the end. So this is my browser. As you can see, I'm already logged in. So I'm going to try and disconnect and then log in again from the beginning so you guys can see how it works. Okay, coming. So this is it. This is exactly it when you join, when you want to sign up. So what you are going to do is click here. Okay, I'm signed in. Let me claim first. Let me sign up so you guys can see. So now this is how you are going to see it when you are about to sign up. Can you guys see? So you just click login your merit. It will bring continue with Web3 wallet or continue with your email. So you guys can use you can choose any one out of the two options. But me, I'm going with continue with Web3 wallet. So it will pop up the wallet you can use. There is over 420 wallets you can connect. That is the option that is available. So as you can see, there is MetaMask, Trust Wallet, BitGet Wallet, OKS Wallet, Binance Wallet, Bybit, and a lot of them. But today I'm going with MetaMask because I have MetaMask extension installed already on my browser. So I selected MetaMask and you can see the MetaMask has popped up. So it's going to pop up what you have to do. So it's saying I should connect my MetaMask with, you can see the Blockscout website. So press next, then connect. So that's just it. It's as simple as that. So it's just going to tell you, it's going to pop out that was it, then you sign in. That's it. So you have to do some human verification to claim that you are human, you are not a bot. So you can decide to add email and you can decide not to. Me, I'm not adding email for now, so I will do it later. So that's it. So this is where you have to go. You click after your wallet has been connected and it's showing like this, then you go to Merit and to tell you to continue. Then your MetaMask, the wallet you connected, will pop up again. And what you have to do is connect it over again for you to sign in. As you can see the sign in here. So then you sign in and that's it. Then you come here. So this is what you are going to be claiming. You are going to be claiming your merit. As you can see, this is my own merit balance, 478, and you can refer anyone you feel like. So this is it. It's as simple as that.